Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to instantly send insurance brochure with Facebook leads on WhatsApp. So let's take an example that you have an insurance business. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you're running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your insurance business advertisement. With those ads you are getting lots of leads on daily basis. But you are unable to reply to those leads and lose a lot of potential clients. Now, you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with your insurance brochure or your flyer link of the business. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your leads from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, then attach your insurance brochure and send it to the leads. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and this becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how are you going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your insurance brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the Facebook page, that is insurance portal. This is the Facebook lead ad form, where I have asked for the full name, phone number and email address of the customer. This is the insurance brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. So now I want that whenever the customer fills this particular form, automatically the insurance brochure link should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us just fill the form over here. So let us just give the full name as Adam Smith. I'll give his phone number over here. And let's give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. And now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in insurance portal. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our insurance business. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, insurance portal. Okay, so a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? And here, I can find the insurance brochure which is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number. So here you might be wondering that I just filled this form over here and automatically the insurance brochure which was saved into my Google Drive, it is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here along with a message. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ads form, the same data will be used and the insurance brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are using 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, Come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us just give the workflow name as Send Insurance Brochure to Facebook Leads on WhatsApp. And here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your insurance brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, let us select new lead, then click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form which we have attached on this particular page to collect the leads. So I'll just take you to the page which I have created on my Facebook account, that is Insurance Portal. This is the page name and this is the form. I have given the same name, that is Insurance Portal, the Facebook lead ad form. So I'll just select both of these in Pabbly Connect. The page name is Insurance Portal. And here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have created just one form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this Facebook lead ad form and we have to just create a lead so that after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. Just to capture the data, we have to fill this form. So I'll just go to the lead ad form and here let us just give the details of the customer, that is Shikha Arya, full name. Let's give her phone number and let's give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's go to Pabbly Connect and we have to click on save and send test request. And now here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is Shikha Arya, her phone number and the email address is captured over here. Now we want to send the insurance brochure to this particular customer on this mobile number. So let's just come to the action application and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay, so I'll just go to the 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find generate API key option. So you have to simply click on generate API key. You have to generate the key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, we don't have to generate the API key again and again. The same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. Now the domain is required. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given. So we have to simply copy this example from here and we have to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. After just pasting the API key and domain name, simply click on save. As I have already created a connection, so I'll just go to this choose existing connection option and I'll just click on save. And now 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. we have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, it can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So that is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So just go to 360 Dialog account, and here we can find manage templates option. Simply click on this. Now here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. So if you want to create a new template, simply come to this plus sign, add template, and here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. There are various categories available over here. From here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type, and here you can give template body text, the message what you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template, and I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is send brochure final, this template. Now here let us read the template. Hello, we want the name of the customer over here. So you can see that I have given some numbers in curly braces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. So here the customer name is going to change every time. Okay. So here we want hello, the name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our insurance business. We can say that. Now here the link is required, so your insurance brochure link or your flyer link can be given over here. For more details, you can visit our website. Here your website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your business name is going to come. So let us select this template, send brochure final in Pabbly Connect. So I'll just select the template, that is send brochure final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message on his WhatsApp number. So we have got the customer details here from Facebook lead ad forms, full name Shikha Arya and the phone number. So we are going to map these details now. Okay, so I'll just come to this recipient mobile number, and here come to Facebook lead ads, and let us just map the mobile number. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. Here in the template also we want the first parameter as the name of the customer. So go back to Pabbly Connect, and here let us select the customer name as Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come, and the business name is Insurance Portal. So we are going to type this particular name in Pabbly Connect. So I'll just go to Pabbly Connect and let us type the same name over here. Okay. Now body field 3, example software. Here in the template, meanwhile you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our insurance business. So we are going to just type the same, that is insurance business. Okay. Now the fourth parameter required is the link. Here in the template also we can find the link option. So I'll just take you to the Google Drive, where I have just uploaded a brochure of my health insurance. So here I am using the health insurance brochure. In place of health insurance, you can use any other brochure also, like motor insurance or life insurance. Any other insurance brochure can be shared. So I'll just make a right click over here, and I'll go to the share option. And here we can find get link option. We have to simply click on copy link. The link is copied to the clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and just paste the link over here. Now body field 5, we have to give the website address. So here you can mention your website address. Here in the template also website address is required. So I'll just go to the Facebook page once again, and from here I'll just copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just paste the URL over here. Okay. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. Here in the template also we require thank you, regards, your insurance business name is going to come once again. And here we have given the name as Insurance Portal. So we have to simply type the same name in body field 6 also. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. And now we can see the responses received. So let's go back to WhatsApp and check the WhatsApp number of the customer, whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in insurance portal. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, so the same template message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now this was the first value of the body field, that is Shikha Arya. This was the second value, insurance portal. The third one was insurance business, this one. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address, and the last we have given was the business name once again. So we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed in the message. Now let us check this link also. Health insurance brochure, it is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number. Okay, so now here we can see that our integration is working fine and the messages are going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms, and once again we have to create a lead on the name of some other customer. So this time let us give the name as Akash Kapoor. His phone number I have given and the email address is akash123@gmail.com. Now let's click on next and submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Now let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see a message. Hello Akash Kapoor. Thank you for showing your interest in insurance portal. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer, that is Akash Kapoor also. Now let us check this link once again. What is there inside this link? And here also I can find the health insurance brochure which is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the messages are going on the WhatsApp number of the customers correctly. Now here you can see that the data has captured immediately, but sometimes this may take time in fetching the data, as the trigger here, that is Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us just minimize all these windows and see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically the insurance brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.